5x plus 1/4 written twice, and we're multiplying. So I'm going to take my 5x and my 1/4. These first two terms, separate them because we're going to put this parentheses, this whole parentheses goes here and here. All right? So we separated these two terms, and we copied this thing right here and also again after the 1/4. Now you have 5x times 5x, 5x times 1/4, 1/4 times 5x, and 1/4 times 1/4. Okay? So we're going to have 5x times 5x. Let's rewrite this 5 as 5 over 1. Put 5 over 1 for 5. Okay? Copy the rest of this down, but put 5 as 5 over 1. And you put the x on the top with that. Okay? And you're going to have 1/4, and do the same thing with this 5x you did with this 5x. Make it 5x over 1. And what are we going to do here? 1 times 1 and 4 times 4. Multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms. All right, so let's copy this 25x squared down. We'll have 5x times 1 is 5x, and 1 times 4 is 4. So on the top we're going to have 5x, on the bottom we're going to have 4. Same thing again for these two. You're taking 1 times 5x and writing 5x, and 4 times 1 and writing 4. So these two multiplied give you this one. These two give you this. And 1 times 1 is 1, and 4 times 4 is 16. Copy that up here. Copy this one down. What's 5 plus 5? Now when you add like terms, you get a like term, and when you add like fractions, you get a like fraction. Like fractions means we want to keep that 4 for a denominator. Don't change the 4. But we're simply going to add 5 plus 5 and write what? 10. So all three of these fractions are like. 5/4 and 5/4 is just like 10/4. When you add like fractions, you get a like fraction. Copy that 1/16 down. Copy this down and reduce this. You see how we reduced it? What did I do to reduce that? Look, 10 and 4 are both even numbers, aren't they? Isn't 10 an even number? And so is 4. So if they're even, they can be divided by 2 because they're even. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And copy the last one down.